Hey guys, I want to do a unboxing video for a one of gun. I just bought that today. Um, it costs like $29.99. It is being like $21.99. It is this gun. I don't have this gun because it's called a Roblox gun. It's called Jailbreak. I want to open this up. It's pretty cool. We got 2 blasters in here. They got like 10 darts. And it got a code. It's really cool gun. I don't have this gun. I will get more. I will get more of guns. This is part my leaving. Yeah. I want to open this up. Let's open this up. I got no box cover. Let's open this up, guys. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that. Got instructions. Nice. And some blue goats. Look at this goat. Nice. Take the blue ones. There's blue ones. Sweet. Man, look at this, guys. Wow. Dude. This is nice. The pop action. Nice. Roblox. I got like 2 of them. Nice. Pretty nice guns. This is starting no attachments. Nice. Let's load this one up. Yeah, no space for the other ones. Let's do it. Nice. Ooh. Nice. Roblox. Armory. The jailbreak. 2 jailbreaks. Pretty cool gun. I use tricks too. I use tricks and stuff like this. It's pretty cool guns, man. Jailbreaks. And do one of them. There it goes. Roblox. Jailbreaks. 2 of them. Okay, guys, and this is for to have this on YouTube. Say, guys, and I get more. Yeah, I get more guns. Say, guys, and I see you when I get more guns. Bye, guys.